It's always good to have a secure step up when you're getting in and out of your truck. And these running boards are built for the toughest jobs and the toughest trucks. And you know if it's heavy and heavy duty, then it's got to be Gen Y. And their all new running boards are no exception. What makes them unique is the anti-slip surface and the criss-cross pattern. It's designed to allow dirt, mud, snow, and debris to just fall through, keeping them clean and safe. And these aren't just any running boards, they're 84 inches of heavy-duty steel, and they can support up to 400 pounds, making them the perfect running board for truck owners who need a secure step. And don't worry about scratches or rust. These boards are coated in a durable black powder coat, so they don't get scuffed, they do the scuffing. Oh yeah, these things are as rugged in looks as they are in performance. So if you're looking for running boards that offer heavy-duty strength, a rugged appearance, and made in the USA construction, look no further than the Gen Y Hitch Running Boards.